Okay, admit, have you ever found yourself scrolling through your daily horoscope, kind of looking for a sign? You know, a little cosmic nod that today's the day, that the stars are finally going to align for you? Yeah, we all do it. We're all looking for a little guidance. Maybe you're a fiery, determined Aries who just needs that little push. Or maybe you're a steady, patient Taurus looking for a sign to just stay the course. Whatever it is, we're all looking for that edge.
You could be a versatile Gemini searching for a little bit of focus, or a nurturing Cancer who needs a reminder to put your own goals first. See, we all just want a clue about what to do next.
From the big-hearted ambition of a Leo to the meticulous precision of a Virgo, we're constantly looking up at the stars, searching for an answer. But what if I told you the signs you really need aren't up there at all? Because here's the real deal. For anyone running a business, the most important signs aren't written in the stars. They're written in your bank statements, in your expense reports, and in your cash flow. That is your actual business horoscope. The truth is, there is a classic, and I mean super common mistake that can make even the busiest, most promising businesses totally unstable financially. So today, we're going to break down exactly what that is and, more importantly, how you can fix it. I want you to really think about this for a second. The storefront is busy. The online orders are flying out the door, and money's coming in. It feels like you're succeeding, right? But that feeling, well, it can be really misleading. The question you have to ask is, with all this activity, are you actually profitable? And here it is, the number one culprit. The main reason so many small businesses have no idea if they're truly in the black, they mix their personal and business finances. That big sale you just made? It pays for this week's groceries. That new software subscription? It goes on your personal credit card. It all just gets dumped into one big, confusing bucket of money.
And this habit, it's like a slow leak. It's quietly destructive. When all your money is tangled up, you lose all sense of clarity. You literally can't measure your true performance. And if you don't know your real profit, how can you reinvest to grow? You risk accidentally spending your business's operating cash on personal bills. And then when you need a cash injection for the business, you're left scratching your head wondering where all the money went.
But here's the good news. You don't need an astrologer to sort this out. You just need a plan. So we're going to walk through a really simple 6-step plan to help you take back control and start writing your own financial destiny. Okay, here are the 6 steps. Each one is a totally practical action you can take like right now. We're going to break them down one by one, but you can already see how they build on top of each other to create a really solid financial foundation. Step 1. This is the big one, and it's completely non-negotiable. Open a separate bank account for your business. Honestly, this is the single most important thing you can do. It instantly creates a clear line in the sand. This is business money, and this is my money. Simple as that. All right, next up, you have to stop treating the business account like your personal ATM. You need to pay yourself a fixed, regular salary just like you would any other employee. This isn't just about accounting. It's a huge mindset shift. It forces discipline and protects your business's cash flow from, your own random spending habits. Every single transaction. It all matters. That coffee you bought during a client meeting, that little shipping fee, the cost of bubble wrap, it all adds up, and it adds up fast. Keeping diligent records isn't just about making tax time easier, it's about seeing the true cost of running your business and finding all those little money leaks. And that brings us to a really critical idea, understanding the difference between capital and profit. Think of it this way. Capital is the gas in your car. It's the money you absolutely need to keep the engine running. Buying materials, paying for inventory. Profit, on the other hand, is the destination you get to enjoy when you arrive. If you start siphoning off your gas for other things, well, you're never going to get there. Spend your capital and your business will grind to a halt. So, this is a super simple but really powerful budgeting trick. Just think of it like setting up digital envelopes. Whenever money comes into your business account, you immediately divide it up into different posts or categories. A percentage goes to operations, a set amount goes to your salary, a little bit goes into business savings, and some goes into an emergency fund. That way, all your bases are covered. And finally, step 6. This is what locks it all into place. This is about creating an unbreakable habit. The business account is for the business, period. That unexpected car repair or that impulse buy, that's not the business's problem. This firm boundary is the firewall that will protect your company's future. You see, when you put these steps into action, you're no longer just leaving your success up to chance or hoping for a good cosmic forecast. You are literally picking up the pen and writing your own story. I just love this quote by Mark Twain.
Financial chaos creates so much stress and self-doubt. But when you finally take control, when you build a system that you can actually trust, you earn your own approval. And you build this foundation of comfort and confidence that, let's be honest, no horoscope could ever give you.
So in the end, it really comes down to this choice. The signs for your business's future, they aren't floating around in the sky. They're right there, in your financial records. The power to create a successful, profitable future has been in your hands all along.